Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to start an email. When sending an email, the key to capturing people's attention lies in the first line of your email. While the subject line and the rest of the content matter, an incorrect first line can stop readers from going through the entire email. It is one of the simplest yet effective things you can do. If you use a subject line that sparks curiosity, avoid revealing the answer in the first line, as it appears in the preview text. If people see the answer while scrolling through their emails, they may not feel the need to open it. Whether it is a sales letter or a video, the primary goal of the first line is to encourage people to continue reading. Remember, the first line's purpose is to not sell or teach, but to entice readers to progress to the next line. It is like creating a smooth transition down the email content, commonly referred to as the slippery slope. Regardless of the metaphor, think of the first line as the lubricant for the email. One simple way to enhance your first line is to keep it short. Compare a concise first line to a large block of text. People tend to shy away from the extensive text, so a brief and inviting first line can make the content seem more accessible. Instead of overwhelming the reader, create an open loop or increase curiosity that encourages them to keep reading. Thank you everyone for watching, hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel, leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.